Optima, the ultimate power source. For over 40 years, we've had one goal: to be the ultimate power source. A title that's not given, it's earned. Earned through quality and technology. Earned by making things and breaking things. Earned through old-fashioned grit and relentless commitment to engineering the quit out of it. On the road, the trail, the water, and on top of the mountains. We don't just test our batteries in the lab. We take them out and punish them to prove that they're the ultimate power source and the ultimate in high-performance AGM technology. A battery that propelled an industry forward and set the standard for what a battery can be. Today's vehicles demand an insane amount of energy.
It's important to have a good source of stable voltage because these cars have upward 40 and 50 processors in there and ECUs and control units and CAN bus systems that talk everywhere.
We are crazy about performance, so we push the limits of how we test our power, bringing the world the Optima spiral cell and pure flow batteries. The epitome of high voltage, we've got your back power and durability.
So you need everything to work perfectly in order for all the systems to work. We find that with the Optima product.
Optima, the ultimate power source.